In today's challenge we need to group the rows by the first two characters of the IDs. We have a simple tables with an ID column and a sales column. Using left function is a very natural first solution. The first argument is our ID column and the second is 2, the number of characters. At this point most people stop. They add a helper column, then a pivot table, then they click around until it looks right. That works, but it's messy. This is where GROUPBY enters the room. It doesn't care about tables or layouts. It cares about expressions. You tell it what defines a group, our expression, with left function, what to aggregate, our sales, how to aggregate, sum, and how the result should behave. We don't want header rows, no total rows also. For ascending order use 1, for descending -1. Sorting inside the formula means the result is stable and intentional. Now here is where the analyst thinking kicks in. Right now this solution assumes the meaningful part of the ID is always 2 characters. That might be true today, but what if IDs become 3 characters long, or 1? Instead of fixing the length, we can define the group by structure. In this case the structure is a dash. So let's replace left function with TEXTBEFORE and a dash. This version adapts automatically to longer or shorter IDs, makes the grouping rule explicit, and survives data changes without silent errors. In real cases, it can be a big upgrade. If your grouping logic lives in an expression instead of an assumption, your analysis lasts longer. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!